What's up guys? We're back here with another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have VZP100109. This is for a Dodge Charger. And these are our ceramic black 5-inch exhaust tips. Now, if you'll give me a second to get these open. Now, they already come pre-packaged inside the box. And once you unwrap them, you can start to see that ceramic black along with the Vicrez logo on the tip of them. Now, also, if we go ahead and measure it, you'll be able to see that they're 5 inches across, which is, to me, the perfect size for an exhaust tip. Now, the other one is just like it, and they come in a set of 2 whenever you order them on the Vicrez website. Now, for more cool unboxing videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.